to another CSJ wrestling figure video. I'm so sorry guys, but I just got a Carmelo Hayes figure and I unboxed it already. So I just wanted to show off so far because I just forgot to unbox it on camera. So because I was not using my camera at the time, I was unboxing it, not making a video about it. So
Unboxing.
there is the Carmelo Hayes. What series is he? 105. So this is a series 105. Carmelo Hayes. There's jacket. He had some glasses, but no. And yet, he can look snazzy. With them cool shades on.
Actually,
he can be looking.
I got the wrong Logan Paul.
He can be looking snazzy.
I got a fake Logan Paul.
These shades on. Put it on him,
That's right, it's Sheamus.
Looking pretty snazzy with those shades.
Oh my god, Logan, I am cut out.
Look at that.
Oh my god.
Little snazzy Carmelo Hayes.
Logan Paul, I need your phone. That's
So this is the Series 105 Carmelo Hayes figure. And he got some tattoos on his back there. He got tattoos there. So he looking good with those ring attire. So he got some cool jacket he can put on. Also, got to show that off. And that's all. Also, he also has some hands there. 2 hands. Also, guys, alert! I will not be using the floor anymore. I just brung my ring, so there won't be any floor wrestling. It will be just wrestling inside a ring. So here's your snazzy Carmelo Hayes, looking like a masterpiece as always. So he could probably become a next world champ. But just wanted to apologize to you guys for that and show them off real quick. And then, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment too if you want to.